Okay, so we've got a hash table here, and it's called customer. Inside this hash table, we've got our position, our pointer position, 0, 1, 2, 3. We then got our actual pointer values. So this is pointing to this, this is pointing to this, and this is pointing to this, and this is pointing to null, as normal. These numbers inside was our customer ID, which has been hashed. So for example, what we're going to be doing is inserting a new customer into this hash table. So we're going to be passing in new customer, which is a customer record. So a customer record could have, for example, customer ID, and it might have a customer name, because a record can have multiple attributes. My pen's being weird. I don't know why. Let's have a look. Okay, you might have something down it. Okay, so look, let's say imagine customer ID and customer name. So we're passing in a whole record about a customer. And let's imagine this customer has an ID of 99 and his name is John. Simple. So that's what we're passing into this function. John with an ID of 99. ID, name. Does this want, have a look at this code. Does it want us to do anything with a customer name? Have a look at it. Pause the video. No, it doesn't. It does want us to deal with ID. And we'll talk about that in a second. So the first thing what's going to happen if we want to insert some new data into this hash table is we want to have a variable called table full. So is a table full. And we're going to set it to be, by default, false. No, it's not. We're then going to take our new customer ID. So we're going to take 99 because that is John's ID. So we're going to take new customer ID, which is 99. And we're going to run it through a hash function. And let's imagine it gives it a hash value of, I'm just making up this hash value, of 3. So we've taken the customer ID, which is 99, we ran it through this inbuilt hash function, and index is going to store that hash value of 3. Nice and easy. In fact, let's imagine it turns it to 2 to make it easier for this example. So let me just do this. We just hashed it up and it's given us 2. Remember, I've just randomly done that. It's not a real hash I've just done. Index. Okay, so we've just done this and we've just done this. The next thing we want to do is put index inside pointer. So we've got something called pointer. It's another variable, and it's going to copy whatever's inside index into pointer, which is the number 2. Nice and easy. So we've just done that, and that. We've set it up, ready to go. So we've done a hash function, and we've allocated pointer a value through that hash function, and then we've copied into pointer. Okay, that's going to be the end of this first video. Your job is to create a little diagram to help you practice and remember the key concepts on that.